In this video, we're going to talk about the human heart, which is a vital organ for our survival. The heart is a hollow, somewhat conical muscular organ situated in the middle mediastinum and covered by pericardium. It is about the size of clenched fist in normal individual. It consists of 4 chambers: right and left atria, right and left ventricles. The atria are separated from each other by interatrial septum, and the ventricles are separated by interventricular septum. Right atrium receives the oxygenated blood via superior and inferior vena cava and by coronary sinus. The blood enters the right ventricle through the right atrioventricular orifice and thence ejected to the pulmonary trunk, whereupon the blood reaches the pulmonary capillary plexus for oxygenation. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood via 4 pulmonary veins. From there, the blood enters the left ventricle through left atrioventricular orifice and subsequently ejected into the ascending aorta for distribution to the entire body. Thus, right heart deals with deoxygenated blood for pulmonary circulation and left heart deals with oxygenated blood for systemic circulation. If we talk about the weight of our heart, in an adult male, the weight is 280 to 340 gram. An adult female, the weight is 230 to 280 gram.